Go into Canva and search Mockup t-shirt to find mockup that you want for your design. Next, upload your design file to Canva. Drag it into your mockup. Adjust the size, the position of your design to match the area you'll be printing on the shirt. And voila! You have a shirt mockup for your Etsy shop. Repeat the steps until you have the desired number of mockups. Remember that the mockup should be similar to the shirt you will sell. The final step is to download the mockup image to upload to Etsy. Please note that the downloaded image must be a maximum size of 2000 by 2000 pixel to comply with Etsy's requirements. Click Share, adjust the size and quality of the image to the maximum. Finally click Download. And that's it, you have learned the basic steps to create a product mockup on Canva. If you want to know more details about selling on Etsy, check out my next videos. In addition, I have a specialized Etsy course on Skool, including knowledge about Etsy and a community of experienced sellers. Click the link below to learn more.